Experience the refreshing purity of a lakeside breeze right in your home. Introducing the Winix 5520 Air Purifier. With its sleek design and advanced 4-stage filtration system, the 5520 removes 99.99% of airborne allergens down to 0.01 microns, efficiently purifying rooms up to 1,882 square feet in just 1 hour. Its air quality indicator gives you real-time feedback, while its auto mode adjusts the fan speed automatically to ensure optimal air filtration. Plus, the replacement indicator shows when it's time for filter changes, making maintenance simple and hassle-free. With the Winix Smart app, you can effortlessly monitor and control your Winix 5520 Air Purifier from anywhere. Activate sleep mode for ultra-quiet operation, letting the 5520 work quietly as the LED lights dim softly. Bring the refreshing purity of a lakeside breeze into your home with the Winix 5520 Air Purifier, where clean air is always just a breath away.